You've just finished recording a tutorial. But if it's just a normal recording, it can be boring. How to make more engaging videos and edit faster without manual editing. Today, you will get 3 automatic visual tricks to grab attention instantly. Trick number 1. Use screen callouts to grab attention. When there's too much happening on screen, your viewers don't know where to look. They get lost. The viewer's attention should always be focused on what you want them to notice. After you finish recording, you can easily add callouts to highlight crucial areas with FocuSee. It supports color adjustments and auto-applies animation transitions. Trick number 2. Use 3D motion to make a visual hook. Traditional or flat recordings can't be a visual hook to wake your audience up. Use this 3D motion right at the most important part of your video to instantly snap their attention back. With a single click, you can switch between 2D and 3D effects and customize the tilt effect. Now, you can also create a highly engaging video hook. Trick number 3. Use auto zoom to guide the eye. A static screen is distracting. Smooth and step-by-step zoom can guide your viewer's eyes perfectly. With FocuSee, simply record your screen normally, and it automatically adds smooth cursor tracking, dynamic zooms, and panning. You can adjust the zoom level or position at any time. Your videos will be more polished, professional, and focused. The details of the video are crucial. Use auto zoom and panning, callouts, and 3D motion to keep their attention from start to finish. If you want to try FocuSee to make tutorial videos better and edit faster, grab the link in the description below.